helping set up the process that we were hoping to achieve. I think the language and the wording that you used is simple to understand, very clear to follow. It was set up in a logical manner as well, so which to me was very important because it actually shows you step by step instructions and really guidelines on what to do. And I also like the fact that you use real life examples with real successes and failures and how to not to do, what to do to support those statements, which is really, really important for accumulating knowledge, but also for preventing any kind of downfalls. And lastly, I think the organization, the communication that you had, the timely manner, all of the packages, it was very nicely put together that actually promotes good feeling, good vibes that you want to work with somebody like that. You want to make sure that that person is kind of in your court and they're rooting for you and your enthusiasm really shines. So that is my feedback on that.
Thank you. I really appreciate it, Andrew. This means a lot. I really appreciate it.